So just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame. As we can see, very much looking like we are coming in for a nice back test of that previous resistance. We can see we've been under this resistance for some time here on the charts. Continuing in this downtrend, you've got these big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside. Very, very overextended to the downside. Polygon putting in the huge bullish divergences at the low, coming into potentially this range low area of the bear market. You can see we've pretty much been going sideways like this for some time, but we finally came down for an extended bearish period to come down and test these lows that we made previously. You can see here, basically, just having this long downtrend under resistance. We did break it recently to retest our 100 moving average and our 0.23 Fibonacci, but we came down again for a double bottom back test here, as you can see. And then over the past week or so, a break and a big green candle outside of that resistance. Yet again here, as you can see, now looking like we could be back testing into this area. Obviously, we are just moving in line with Bitcoin right now, but I am expecting us to be putting in a big W double bottom like this for Polygon and heading back up towards this area up here at the 0.23 Fibonacci towards 50 or 60 cents over the next few weeks. In my opinion, we are way too overextended to the downside, and you can see last time when we do get that signal for a nice pump in the markets for Polygon, it can happen really quickly. I do think we could see ourselves doing something like this pretty soon. Overall, we are just chilling and waiting. Like and subscribe for more.